Hello, hola, welcome back. I'm your girl, Rena MoMoney, and today we're going to talk about how to close more deals. We will be talking about how to increase your deals, your sales. Before I get started, if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe now. Click on the little belly thing. I post 2 to 3 times a week on valuable tips and tools on real estate investing, on wholesaling in real estate, on finance, and just things that help you to become an overall better you. So without further ado, we'll go right into it. Number 1, building a rapport. You must build a rapport with your seller. That's going to be key. Getting them to be comfortable, getting them to talk more. Let them do most of the talking. You'll find some sellers love that part. Make sure you're building a connection and having a solution for their problem. Remember, on a previous video, we talked about if you have a solution for their problem, you've already pretty much won. You're pretty much going to be that person they're going to sell to. Don't be too excited. You want to build that rapport. You don't want to be too excited to get the deal. Actually want them to feel like they're almost lucky that they found you, and you will be able to fill out each seller and what they're about. Some want to rule the conversation, let them. Some don't, then you do. So fill it out. This will come with practice, but you want to have a focus on trying to build a rapport. Also, as you're building a rapport, let them say the price first. Don't say the price first. Don't say the sales price. He who speaks of the price first loses. And I think I've said that before. Number 2, you want to solve the problem and show that you care. In other words, find a win-win that's going to be a win for you and it's going to be a win for them. So when you solve that problem and you make it a win-win, that's gravy. So put your focus on building a rapport and solving the seller's problem. The third way you can close more deals is by researching before you get to the seller. What I mean, research before you get to the seller. Here's a tip, here's a tool. Most people think research means research the property. Yeah, that's true, but you want to close more deals, you need to also research that seller. The next way of being able to close more deals is to get with more wholesalers. Wholesalers are out here trying to find buyers. They're trying to flip their contract over to a cash buyer. So they are doing their research and they have already put out some marketing stuff and some marketing tools to be able to attract potential sellers. So get with more wholesalers. Now you have yours out there, yes, but you want to close more deals. Get with more wholesalers that's in the industry or the area that you're looking to purchase in. Get with more wholesalers, partner up with more wholesalers, and I promise you, you will close more deals. Now, if I'm saying anything that's helping you out, if I've sparked your mind in any way, go ahead and subscribe. If you haven't already, subscribe or either like this video, comment, let me know where you're at in your real estate. Regardless, subscribe if you haven't already. This channel will be jam-packed with nothing but tips and tools to help you save money or make money. Continue to watch the Rena MoMoney. We'll talk about finance. We'll talk about real estate on every video. Also, I mentioned new subscribers. I like to mention the new subscribers right now and give a warm shout out to the person that you see here. Congratulations. That's a warm shout out. Whoop, whoop, whoop. A warm shout out to you as a new subscriber for coming on the Rena MoMoney Plus and starting to help yourself become a better you. Don't forget to look down in the description below. My last and final method and way that you can close more deals is to get with more cash buyers. Start JVing, double up, find more cash buyers, network, network, network. Close more deals. You have to work your business. You have to work it and treat it as a business. This real estate is not just about making money. It's an actual business and you want to treat it as such. So you want to close more deals. You put all those things in play and you add all of those up and I guarantee you, you'll start making more deals. You'll start closing more deals. Whether you are a realtor, a wholesaler, or an investor, you would definitely start closing more deals. Be sure to stay tuned and watch the next Rena MoMoney Plus video. Take care.